In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom background to Google Slides. By the end, you'll know how to apply a polished background to a single slide or your entire presentation so your content looks clean, consistent, and professional. Start by opening your Google Slides presentation. With your deck on the screen, look to the top menu bar and click Slide, then choose Change Background. This is the control panel for everything related to your slide's backdrop, whether you want a solid color or a custom image. If you're adding an image, click Choose Image. A window will open that lets you upload from your computer or pick something already stored in your Google Drive. Choose the file you want and confirm. For best results, use a high-resolution image with a widescreen aspect ratio. 16.9 works well, so it fills the slide cleanly without looking stretched or pixelated. Subtle textures, gradients, or lightly patterned images tend to keep your text readable. If the file is very large, be aware it may slow down your presentation, so a well-optimized image is ideal. If you prefer a simple look or need maximum contrast for text, switch to a solid color instead. In the same Change Background window, you'll see the color option. Pick a theme color for consistency or select a custom shade that complements your brand. A medium light or medium dark color often strikes a good balance between style and legibility. You can switch between an image and a color at any time from this same menu if you change your mind later. Once you're happy with your selection, decide how widely you want it applied. Click Done to apply the background only to the current slide. This is useful if you want a special title slide or a unique section divider. If you want that background across the entire presentation, click Add to Theme instead. That pushes the background to all slides that use your theme layouts and keeps new slides consistent as you build. To make sure everything looks right, enter Present mode using the Present button in the top right corner. Advance through a few slides and check that text is readable, margins feel comfortable, and nothing important is competing with the background. If anything looks off, maybe the image is too busy or the color isn't strong enough, exit Present mode and revisit Change Background to adjust your choice. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've set a custom background that elevates your slides while keeping your content front and center.